This is Mohammad Izar presenting before you the demo session of MSOM through which you can decide and secure your professional future in digital marketing. By seeing the lead of now, it can be clearly seen and assumed so far that digital marketing industry is going to generate a ruling trend in the world. If you see yourself a part of this digitalized sector on a professional base, MSOM is a great platform for you where you can crack traditional earning barrier and along with this you become knowledgeable and expert in digital media planet. The ultimate goal of MSOM is to ensure that all our students are well equipped with knowledge, practicing and interviewing skill to crack their dream job in this field. This training will be of 3 months which is going to demand for full dedication and sincere hard work from the students. Although it's a professional package but it's quite interesting and fun filled. Avail this demo session, cross-check yourself, make up your mind and hook up with MSOM the way to the future.
MSOM Muradabad School of Online Marketing. MSOM is an initiative taken by Be Visible Marketing Company to aware the people of Muradabad and its nearby places regarding digital marketing in late 2017. MSOM is our very first source to learn digital marketing in Muradabad, launched in 2017. Founded by me, Mohammad Izar, having 8 plus years of experience in digital and e-commerce marketing, we started our first offline batch in March 2018.
Let's start with digital marketing, that's our jam, in which we will go through the points.
What is digital marketing? Needs of digital marketing. Digital marketing versus traditional marketing. Digital marketing process and framework. Overview. All modules of MSOM. Certifications. Then what things you will able to do. And the last one but the most important, expected ROI. What is digital marketing? As per the definition of digital marketing is a marketing technique that involves usage of digital medium for creating awareness, consideration, purchase and loyalty for a brand, product or a service. The marketing of a products or service using digital channels to reach consumer. Digital marketing also known as online marketing or internet marketing. Needs of digital marketing. More and more people are getting connected to digital mediums. Digital devices like mobile phones, laptops, tabs, etc. are become essential part of our life. We use these for our daily activities like shopping, pictures, entertainment, work, etc. Consciously, unconsciously, we are creating a lot of data about us. This data can be linked to our email ID and phone number, telling brands about our personal preference. Using digital marketing company try to target people based on interest and preferred medium. One note is there, the being of these digital devices has completely changed the way of modern buyer approaches a buying cycle. Digital marketing versus traditional marketing. In digital marketing involves presence on website, email, social media, search engine, etc. On the other hand, traditional marketing involves presence on print ads, outdoor ads, newspaper ads, TV, radio, etc. On digital marketing can specifically target people based on location, age, interest, etc. On the other hand, lack specific targeting of prospect. On digital marketing, it's a dynamic, people can interact, modify, respond and share it. On the other hand, it's a static, people can't interact, it's a one-way message. If we talk about digital marketing, it's a cost effective. You can pay when actual audience view or interest. On the other hand, traditional marketing is a costlier. You pay to reach out to people who might not be your prospect at all. On a digital marketing, wide reach, almost anywhere present anywhere in world can be reached out at a standard budget. On the other hand, at traditional marketing, reach is local. Only bigger brands can afford global reach. As digital marketing results are easily measurable in the form of clicks, impressions, visits, and sales. On the other hand, direct results are not measurable. One note is there: ability to target people in personalized way is the main way why companies have started preferring digital medium, or you can say the beauty of digital marketing: you can target from anywhere in the world at a standard nominal budget. Let's start with digital marketing process and framework. As per the definition of digital marketing discussed as at the beginning, it involves fulfillment of four objectives. Number 1, awareness. Number 2, consideration. Number 3, purchase. Number 4, loyalty. All the channel of digital marketing work in accordance to meet these four objectives. Under this topic, we will understand what role each component play. One note is there: we have to meet all objective accordance in all digital channel. Objective number 1 is awareness. The first and the most important objective of online marketing is to create awareness for your business by building right visibility. This phase is essential to plan what mediums you will use to acquire traffic to your website. It leads to converting an unaware prospect into an aware prospect. Ideal channel for creating awareness is search engine, social media, display media, and last one is email marketing. It's not only this, there are several channels you can target for the awareness as well. Objective number 2, consideration. If there are people who are already aware of you or who are looking for solutions similar to what you provide, this phase will help you in creating consideration for all your brand. The consideration phase will lead to converting an aware prospect into an interested prospect by regular engagement. Ideal channel for creating consideration: search engine, social media, display network, email marketing, mobile marketing, website. Under a consideration objective. Objective number 3, purchase. Its focus on generating revenue from people who shown interest toward your brand and services by converting them into a buyer. Under this phase, we try to eliminate all the loopholes that might lead people to move out of buying cycle so as to create more sales. Ideal channel for creating purchase is search engine, email marketing, mobile marketing, affiliates, website. Objective number 4, loyalty. Its focus on creating content and campaign toward current customer and offering them a great sale after sales experience so they can turn into a brand advocate. Ideal channel for creating loyalty is email marketing, mobile marketing, social media, website.
Then comes the important phase of the course, the learning path syllabus, in which we will cover all the modules of MSOM in concern of digital marketing sector.
All modules overview of MSOM. We covered 14 modules of digital marketing. 14 means we cover all the important things in this course. So please don't run for the sake of number of modules. Overview of digital marketing. introduction to website creation, content creation and marketing, search engine optimization SEO, Google Ads PPC, Google Analytic, then social media optimization SMO, then email marketing, lead generation and conversion optimization, online buying media, affiliates and AdSense marketing, which is very important and interesting, online mobile marketing, e-commerce marketing, and the last one is online reputation management, which is also very important. So we cover 14 modules, which mean we cover all the important thing in this sector, which is very important for your business. So don't run for the number, as I already told you.
After the successful completion of this course, the student is going to earn MSOM certificate and along with this some additional certificates from Google.
Certifications: the fundamental of digital marketing certification, search ad 360 certification, display ad certification, mobile ad certification, shopping ads certification, YouTube video ad certification, Google Analytic individual certification, campaign manager certification, and many more. One note is there, optional, choose any as per your preference. The image of this course, or you can say example of this image, certificate image, the fundamental of digital marketing. AdWords shopping certificates, just like your name is here and the date on which you passed this course. Then example of analytics certification, then AdWords certification, AdWord display advertising certification.
Once the student get trained and become professional, the hand will be kept on the following.
You can launch a brand online, you can retain current customers using digital marketing, you can set up a digital marketing services business, you can start an e-commerce business, you can develop business connection and partner using digital platforms, you can transform a traditional business into a digital one, you can evaluate a digital marketing agency when outsourcing, you can use digital marketing to get more leads, you can use top digital marketing tools, you can manage social media campaigns and get paid to manage Facebook, Twitter page or any social platform. Creating your first website using WordPress, understand entire digital marketing process, increase your placement chances, you can bring site on top on search engines, launch your own online business using e-commerce, you can do digital marketing audit of a website, you can get more website visitor, you can improve ROI from existing company website, and many more you can do on the successful completion of this course.
You are not stuck only on these points. Identify your talents and find a way to turn them into a income generating vehicle. Before getting indulged, it is good to do necessary research, study and analysis, particularly when it comes to do any investment decision.
Expected return on investment, you can go through this one by one. It's not a fixed amount, it's a standard budget as per the market.
Do remember the advice investment in knowledge pays the best interest.